Maya Huber, and I'm from Louisville Collegiate School. So at my school, we have 4 cornerstones: honor, responsibility, respect, and compassion. These are all very important. So why do you think compassion is the most important?
Honor, honor. Do you think in the past history, some individual become hero out of killing thousands of people or enemy soldier, enemy people? Do you think that's honor? I think those are the people, you see, consider honor, just honor. I think sometimes, you see, when we have lack of compassion, lack of sense of concern of other human brothers, sisters, we develop strong sort of barrier, we and they. And then concept of violence is developed. War means mobilized violence, and in some cases legalized violence. So the people who sort of kill thousands of people, sometimes we call hero and great honor. Honor is good. So that, I don't think positive. So honor. Again, responsibility. I think those soldiers, those sort of marshals, field marshals, I think they really fulfilled their responsibility to defeat the enemy. I think what a scientist who made nuclear weapon, nuclear bomb. I remember. Oh yes, like that. Yeah. I think his own sort of knowledge is wonderful, but then used for destruction. So responsibility, again related with some other thing. Respect also. Just to respect or admire those billionaires, I don't think something necessarily good. You yourself and try to become billionaire. What use? So therefore now, honor, responsibility, respect, whether these become positive or negative, depend on compassion. So compassion is more important.
Your Holiness. My name is Imani Burns. I'm from Wagner High School. And my question is, what is fear to you, and have you ever experienced it?
Fear. One time, I got one small dog bite. Bit me. Then later, someone told me that dog is mad dog. So some fear. The Dalai Lama may become mad person. So such things, of course, you see, is something I usually telling people. Practice of compassion is very important. But when one mad dog approaches to you, then it is wrong. It is silly to say, oh, compassion. You must take the appropriate action, like that. So therefore, sometimes you see fear like that is necessary. Protect yourself. Then, of course, fear of Holocaust. When I visit Poland, they say,
Auschwitz.
Odi.
Auschwitz. Yeah.
Or I had opportunity to visit the
Concentration camps.
the concentration camp, and particularly the top
The furnace. No?
furnace where you see people burned. I visit there. How? And then explain the thousands of people burned there. And then another room, another little bit hall. I was told that's the
The shower room.
or shower. So this, then also you see explanation by expert. Today's nuclear sort of weapon, which we preserved, if this is a weapon used, then zamuli torting sumshi degrees.
The experts tell us if we were to use the weapons at our disposal, the nuclear weapons, we have the capacity to destroy the world several times over.
Or at least 3-4 times. Unthinkable. Unthinkable. Then also the other day in Wisconsin, one sort of expert that is loved Kuyuti.
Yes. An environment.
장세 땅 납전이 실내비는 십적서 실내비는 은양 살사지.
His Holiness is referring to a recent panel discussion on environment and ethics at University of Wisconsin-Madison. One of the environmental experts informed the audience that just
그럼
recently
시리승다 나오죠.
he was one of the co-winners of the Nobel Peace Prize as one of the lead authors for the climate change report. And he mentioned that just recently we have crossed a major threshold, which is the carbon emission of 400 per million. And he mentioned that if we were to cross 450 parts per million, then it would be really dangerous.
So this is a question of survival of entire humanity. These are really very serious. So when we listen, you see these explanations by experts who really concentrate or research this work, and then you get real sort of fear or anxiety. So if there is possibility to overcome this, then we must do something. So fear, there are two types of fear. Fear just due to mental projection. That use intelligence and analyze the reality. So the mental projected sort of fear is through analyzation will reduce. Some fear is really because of sufficient reasons. Then that fear is helpful to take precaution. To motivate this precaution and also making effort to avoid these sort of dangers or these sort of dangers like that. So, thank you.
Thank you.